Hey y'all, I'm Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified of all my new videos. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. I'm happy to have you a part of my YouTube family. As always, comments are welcome. I love to hear from y'all and know who's watching. I do answer each comment back. Here's what's new for today. I am in the middle of crafting, as you can see probably from the mess, and I've got these really, well, there's no other word to put it, but just crappy stamps. They came from, I think the Target ones bought, they were about like $3 for like a little set of them, and they just do not stamp well. Let me just kind of show you. Let's see how they do with the ink pad. So what I started doing, and I was going to show you, if you have some like this and you think, well, I'm going to toss them or something, I don't know if you know, but you can take them off the blocks, cut around them, and use them on a clear block, and they'll stamp a lot better. I'm going to get a better ink pad here. I'll show you. See, like this one here. It's not the best. Actually, it's doing a little bit better now. But see how you get the corners and you still don't get the best impression. I've just never been a fan of block stamps. I've always liked either rubber, or my favorite's the clear polymer. Those are my favorite because you can actually see through them. But if you don't have the polymer, then at least the rubber that's on here. So like this one was not stamping at all. I mean, it was, I mean, you can see how I just could not get a good impression. So now when I stamp it, well, I scuffed it up a little bit, but it's getting a much better impression. It's much better. The rubber on these is really cheap. It's really not a rubber. I think it's more like a plastic, like a regular rubber stamp. So that does make it more difficult for it to stamp, but you can see it does stamp a lot better. There's one that I stamped that came out better than some of the first times when it was on the block. So let's just try to give thanks. I need kind of a clear place here. I like doing it on a rubber pad because there's not much give on this too. I'll have to change my paper out. That's a little bit better impression. I had it real good right here. This is a lighter ink than that was. Maybe I should get a darker ink. Let's get a darker ink here. This one's real dark, so we'll try this. I think that makes it a lot better. I'll do the pumpkin again, just to show you. See, that's a lot better. I think that ink was just a little bit too light. Okay, so all you have to do is just kind of carefully get them in the, they're so cheap. They're barely glued down. Just kind of pull at each end till they start to come up. And they'll pop off real easy. And they'll come right off the block. You want to be careful and not tear it. If it doesn't come off easy, then you might want to pop it in the microwave just a couple of seconds, just to get it warmed up. I mean, just a few seconds, and not very long, just so it'll get heated up, the rubber, the plastic, because you don't want to melt anything. And then all I did was cut this excess, can't even talk, the excess. Be careful and don't cut too close. It's just like fussy cutting. Like a real rubber stamp. And see, this has still got sticky on it, so you can stick it on a clear block. Throw all that away. We'll give it a test. Scratch piece of paper. I know. Here we go. Here's one. I have to really push down. I have no strength. Plus, I'm not up high. See, that stamps out a lot better. They're still not getting a real good impression. These are just, like in the H, they're just not the best stamps. I don't know if they're supposed to stamp that way. They kind of look, Maybe they're supposed to stamp that way. I'm taking it maybe they're supposed to stamp that way. The leaf looks real good. It's just like the lettering and the other stuff, but that leaf stamped real well. I like the leaf. So it looks like it's distressed. That's what I'm trying to say. They all look like they're very distressed. So maybe they're supposed to be. I don't know. Let's see. Let me try this one. I think I used this one and it stamped out pretty good. Yeah, it stamps out pretty good. Except for you get all those edges, so I'm definitely going to be taking it off. I do not like that. And this one is a solid one. I don't know about that. Yeah, it's kind of a distressed look. Kind of cute. But I don't like how you get all those edges from it, so I'll have to take it off and cut around it. Definitely like all the others. So anyway, I just wanted to share this little quick tip with you and show you how you can take these cheap little stamps off the block and make sure, like I said, you're real careful, and show you how they'll close this. They'll work a little better for you. So I appreciate you watching, and if this tip is helpful for you, just let me know in the comments below if you've done this or think you'll try this. And please remember to give me a thumbs up. That sure helps my channel out. And subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And remember to click that notification bell so that you'll get notified on the upcoming videos. So until next time, I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.